Hello guys, here is I have Motorola Moto G2026 and I'm going to show you how to replace the screen. First we're going to remove this SIM card tray. Just push in and it's come out. We remove the SIM card tray. Now we're going to remove this back cover. We're going to apply some heat. 1 minute we're going to apply heat on all sides. It's very easy to remove this back cover. With this knife we're going to lift it up slowly. When you lift it up a little bit and it's easy to come out. This back cover is it's not a glass, so there is no risk to break. Just remove with the hand. This side also you need to apply more heat. You can see it's come very easily when you apply heat. And do not heat top of the camera, just on the side. Under the camera side also has a glue, so you need to apply heat over there too. Just slowly lifting up. You see it's coming out. Just we need to apply a little bit more heat on all sides. We already know this back cover. You can see this not glass, it's plastic, so there is no sound to break the glass. I'm gonna clean this previous glue with this tweezer. So there is two screen on the market. One is with the frame, one is without frame. This one I'm gonna show you with the frame one. With the frame one is good. You don't need to put so much glue on the screen. It comes with the frame, everything easy to remove. We remove all the screw. All the screw are star screw. All the screw are same, so there is no problem mixed together. All the screw are same. And this Moto G 5G 2026 also and Moto G 2025 is almost similar. Now we're gonna remove this back housing with this knife. Just lifting up all side and is very to remove it. Very easy to remove it. Almost done. We don't want to lift up too hard all the way up. There is fingerprint ribbon. We don't want to irritate that. Slowly, first we're gonna remove this tape on the side and remove this fingerprint. This is the fingerprint ribbon connection. Just disconnect it. Now we're gonna remove this motherboard. First remove this plastic on top of the battery connection and screen connection. Remove this battery connection first. Then this is the charging port connection, and now we're gonna remove this screen connection. So we already disconnect 3 connection. Now we're gonna remove 2 antenna connection. Now we're gonna remove this plastic top of the speaker. So easy to remove this motherboard. This plastic, if you rip it, is not gonna be a problem because there is no connection with that motherboard. I'm gonna remove this motherboard with this plastic tools. We're gonna loosen up here a little bit, and there is one lock we have to pushing up. Yeah, we already removed this motherboard, so we're gonna keep it on side. And bottom side we're gonna remove this speaker. We separate the speaker. Now we're gonna disconnect it charging port connection. Now we're gonna remove this charging port. First we separate the antenna connection. Then just with the finger we're gonna remove this charging port. And here is the Bluetooth. We're gonna apply some heat under the connection. So easy to remove this Bluetooth. This alcohol you can find on CVS all green. We already disconnect this Bluetooth. Now I'm gonna remove this volume and power button ribbon. We apply some alcohol also under that, and it's very easy to come out and use alcohol. We're gonna apply some alcohol here also. With this we're gonna just lift it up slowly. We don't want to lift it. You don't need to pushing up too hard, just slowly pushing up. It's come out easily. And here is the air speaker. You also need to apply some alcohol, and I disconnect this air speaker and I remove this air speaker. And now I'm gonna remove this battery. This battery is very hard to remove it, so we need to apply more alcohol on all sides. After put the alcohol, we have to wait 2 minutes. So when is alcohol make loose the glue and easy to remove. Here is two things to remove the battery. You have to be very careful with this steel blade, because sometimes steel blade cut the battery and get fire. You can try to remove the battery other side, maybe it will be more easier. We're gonna use the plastic tools first, see it's easy to remove it or not. If it's not easy to remove, then we're gonna use steel blade. So it's too hard, we're gonna slowly lift it up with this blade. It's not a sharp blade, so just lift it up a little bit, then we're gonna use plastic tools. You can see it's just lifting up a little bit. Now we're gonna use plastic tools and we're gonna keep using. You guys also try other side the battery, and we're gonna apply more alcohol there. It's so easy to remove it. You can see now a little bit easier to remove it after I use alcohol more. So we're gonna keep trying, and also you gotta tie other side the battery to remove it. So we almost remove this side battery. Now we're gonna try other side. Yeah, other side is come out easily. And now we're gonna make a straight battery with the finger, and there is some band. We have to unband it with this plastic. Just slide it down. Just make straight the battery. So this phone, mostly the battery remove is a little bit hard. Other thing is not that hard to remove it. You can see battery is straight and there is no damage with this battery. So do not try sharp knife or steel blade. Steel anything, if you try to remove this battery, it makes problem. Try to use plastic tools to remove the battery. I already removed the battery, and I'm gonna remove these plugs, charging port plugs, and I already removed everything. And here is the new screen. And now I'm gonna install this. Whatever we remove it, install back. First, we're gonna install this speaker, and under the connection, previous glue is good, so we need to put an extra glue. And you can see this glue also very good. Previous glue, when you use alcohol, is previous glue doesn't mess up, so we don't need to put extra glue there. And we just press it down. You can see it's very nicely attached previous glue. And here is the glue vibration. Previous glue also good. So just press it down with the connection on the frame. Already put back everything. Now we're gonna install the motherboard. First goes on top side, then just press it down all side. you're gonna connect the screen connection. Make sure it's on center, then press it down. And now you're gonna remove this plastic. And now you're gonna install the charging port first. First go to the top side, then just press it down. And the two antenna line, white one goes down, black one goes top. And now we're gonna connect this charging port flags. SUB goes down and MB goes on top, and you can see arrow also there top side. Arrow goes on, you can see your arrow goes on top side. Now you're gonna install the battery, just press it down. And now you're gonna organize this connection and then connect to antenna connection. And finally we're gonna connect this battery and press it down all side. Make sure all is connection right. And here is the speaker, goes on the right side first, then press it down. And now you're gonna connect this fingerprint first. There's fingerprint connection. Connect the fingerprint, and after that we're gonna press it down all side, clip, and press it down, volume and power button. Make sure it's clicking right. Yeah, just press it down all side. Before we put the screw, we're gonna turn on, make sure touch is working, everything fine. It's turning on. And swipe up, go to the phone, or the phone book, and press 1, 2, 3. Yeah, everything is working and it's make sound. So sound and screen, everything work fine. Now we're gonna install back all screw. This all screw are same, it's steady screw. After put the screw, we're gonna put back this back cover. Bottom side, there's all screw are same also. And if there is back cover has a previous glue, there's the only screw is forget to put it back, is put it back. And now I'm gonna install back the SIM card tray. And like you see, like the previous glue is very good, this glue is very sticky, so we don't want to remove this. We're gonna keep using this previous glue, only this side we're gonna put extra some glue. And here is some extra glue. After put the glue, we're gonna wait 2 minutes.
Thank you.
After 2 minutes, we're gonna install back this back cover. And you install back, and after that we're gonna apply heat on all side, because we need to melt it the previous glue. Just melt it with this heat and then press it down. It's gonna attach very good with this frame. So this previous glue is messed up, then we need to put some extra glue whole side, because you can see there is no gap now. Previous glue is attached very nicely, and you can see there is no gap between frame and back cover. That's all right now. Thank you for watching.